Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to add click animation in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and you can actually apply click animations in different elements in your website. So for example, I have this button right here. So we will just click on this button. So in order to click the button more precisely, just right click, select a layer, and click on our menu, and then click on our button right here. So now that we are selecting our button, just click on this inspector tool and then click this lightning icon right here for animations and effects. And then this is the click animation, and then we will add in animations. For example, whenever we click the button, it will expand in size, and then we can adjust the animation, and then we can make it scale it bigger. So maybe, for example, 125%, and then for the duration we'll just leave it as is. So once I click on preview, we can see that our button right here is changing its size. So that will be the look of this button right here whenever we click on it. And then for example, you want to change the clicking animation of this text right here. Again, we can just select this text, click on the inspector tool, click on this click animation, add an animation, and then since it's like this, what we can do is that we can remove this animation right here and then go to click animation. So now we have different choices for our animation. So for example, maybe you want to have this skew animation right here, and then click on adjust animation, and then we can change the angle of our skew. So we can see the animation effect right here when we click on preview. If you want to change it some more, click on preview, we can see that the animation is displayed right here. And then for example, you want this to apply to images as well, you can do that as well. For example, I will apply to this image right here, click on the inspector tool, go to animations and effects, click on the click animation. For example, for right here, I will choose the shrink animation. Click on adjust animation to change it some more. For example, I want to change it into 55. Click on preview, and then we can see the preview of the animation right here. If maybe you want to make this longer, for example 1.2 seconds, click on preview, and we can see the animation is now longer because we have changed the duration. And then for this image right here, we will change the animation effect as well. When we click on it, we will click on this, and then we can maybe choose this twist animation, or maybe this rotate animation, or the appear animation. We can see right here it has different types of effects. So maybe we'll just choose the twist animation. We'll change the angle into 80, so it looks like that. And then we can now test this out. So we will now preview our website. So right now, so whenever I click on this text right here, it skews to the right, and we can click on it again to turn it back. So for this image right here, so when I click on it, it shrinks, and I click on it again, it goes back to normal. And then for this image, once I click on it, it twists like that, and then once I click on this again, it turns back to the original state of the image. And then for our button right here, whenever I click on it, it expands first, and then it leads us to the new page that we have right here. And then that is it for this video. I hope you learned how to add click animations in your Wix Studio website, and thank you for watching.